Hello there. So, how you guys feel? Donald Trump is about to take office soon. So, let me know in the comment section how you feel about that. I mean, Donald Trump was a president before, and I was talking to someone the other day, and they said their friend is a police. I was speaking to a Jamaican guy, and he said the friend is a police, and he said he can't wait for Donald Trump to take office. And he asked him why. And he said, because he want to be one of the one who deport a lot of the non-immigrants them. And he said he sounds so bitter. He sounds so mean. And him ask him, but why you feel that way? Like them for come here straight, them for wait and come here straight, like other people and whatever. But I mean, if that's the only reason, then if him come and him say, all right, then the ones them we are hurt people, me understand what that. But I know that him say him just excited for Donald Trump for come in the office, see, get rid of the non-immigrants them. And I'm like, why him sound so bitter? It gotta be more behind that. Like, and him say him ask him the question. But him say him happy him a police and him a go him want to able to go take them out and send them back with him. I'm like, you can't be so mean towards your own people. Like, what the meanness for? What the bitterness for? So I want to tell me how I feel if you're there here when you know straight on how I feel in on yourself, because it's not easy when you're in a situation like that. I'm just picturing in my head. If you decide to go even supermarket, or you go upon a train, or um you go out, you go feel some kind of way. You go feel some kind of way. I don't know when something gonna occur. And them say, let me see your license or your ID and them something there. And believe me, them know which part people there, because people use address, people mail things. And if them here say people there, they say we not have documents, them know which part people there. They know where everybody there. Yeah. Them know where everybody there. So if them really want to find you, they will find you. Check out this food, something out of me. Guys, when they here I cook some soup, I just decided to turn on my camera and hold a little mints, because when they here I think about where the person tell me where the police say, oh, him can't wait for throw them out here, and he was so bitter towards it. And it's not like he must say, oh, them I do them money I do too much and I them him attack. Like say for instance say, you know, crime or violence and them something. If I did that, then we would have understand. But that's not the case. That wasn't the case where he must say him say him attack and I ask him to see if him can just come up, and that the part that him a look for hear him say, but that was not it. Him just want to get them out. And it's sad. It's sad. Whether you come here straight, yes or no, and you come to this country, this is how me feel. Whether you come straight, yes or no, you come by your visa, and you're there here and you contribute to the system and you're not in no trouble. I don't have nothing wrong with that. If you're there here now and do things where you're illegal, where you know you're not to do that, that is a different kettle of fish. That is a different thing, total different thing. I said this already, and a lot of people come for me. They come for me in the comment section. Say them to go back and go wait their term. But some people have it hard, and them just want to have a little better life. And nothing wrong with that. What we refuse to understand is that this is a land where created by God, and either we all of we are gonna leave it here. Every single one of we are gonna leave it here. This is not something when none of we buy one house today or we buy one car. It cannot go in at the grave with we. No, not one thing where we have on this earth can go in at the grave with we. So where it makes sense, yeah, fight against people. Yes, clamp down on the people them where I do illegal stuff. Clamp down. I agree with the system 100%. When you're wrong, you're wrong. Yes, they might say you're wrong for come here, but people are looking for better. You know how much people out there are struggle? How much people? I watched some video in Africa with some people without food and clothes and how they look. Guys, people must get opportunity to travel. People must get opportunities. Them get a visa, then come and them visit. Yes, them give them 6 months for stay. But if them see say them can get a little work and be better themselves, why not free them up and make them do it check everybody? If them a contribute and a build the country and a work and a contribute to the system, do it. When you go into the nursing homes them here as a CNA, I don't know mind come for me with this. Let me just express myself how me feel. When you go in at the nursing home, and most the Caribbean people you're seeing there, doing those hard work, most the Caribbean people doing those work. So who would be doing those work if people never come into this country? And a lot of them who are do it, them come here and them never have them paper, but them eventually get it. And them just want to work and can't able to pay them bills. Back home, a lot of them don't have that opportunity because qualification are one. It's like the place overpopulated and them not get no job. So people hungry. So it's good to just make people have an opportunity. I think the system should allow people, and I think it would be less violent when people have an opportunity to build their life more, free up certain things so people can able to earn money to buy what they want and for give them a better life. Yeah, it shouldn't be so hard for people to live. There was time when I never used to have dinner, and it was hard having children and don't can't be able to find food give them to eat. It's not easy. It's not easy. So the people forget that opportunity and can able to go get a little work and contribute to the system. I think people should have that opportunity. That is just my belief. Me can't tell people what to do. I'm just voicing my opinion on it. Everybody should have that opportunity. And I think people would be more light minded and don't try. You see, all right, like for instance, in the garrison in Jamaica. Speaking about Jamaica because that's where I'm from. A lot of the people them in that garrison is like everything in the garrison surrounded them. They don't think out of the box or saying there's so much more in the world for them to achieve. So they target the people them that is in that same little community. Yeah, they target them, they take their things and behave like it's theirs. They analyze them and act as if nothing is wrong with that. It is wrong. Well, if they have the opportunity to travel the world and able to and make enough money, to go travel and go enjoy life, I believe it wouldn't be so difficult. It wouldn't be so hard. People would be able to live much better. Why is it some people have to be all the way up here with billions and trillions of dollars to have what they want, while some people is at my fingertip and sometimes cannot find food? That is only pre-life. I could never have $1 billion and just don't help people. I couldn't do that. That billions of dollars is not going to go into my grave when the time gone, of course you have family. Of course you have where you can give it. But help people with some of this money to start up a business, create fund so people can get grant to make sure they use that money towards grant and to help them to start up business. Grant meaning you don't have to pay it back, but develop business. If they don't improve and try to have a business, then they have to pay it back. But giving them a grant and them don't start up nothing with it and you don't see no improvement, they don't do nothing with the money just disappear, they have to pay it back. I mean, I believe America have some of them things they hear, but I don't know to what extent because I've never get a grant before. So I don't know what grant. I don't really know what grant is, but that is just my intake on it. Grant should I be able to give to people who wants to start up a little business. And it should be worldwide. It shouldn't be like if it's happening here in the US, it's just like it should be anywhere where somebody can like you're there downtown now, you live downtown. You should be able to have money in the system down there if you say, all right, we want to start up a little shop, we want to start up a little wholesale, we want to start up a little clothing business, we want to start up a little food business, a little restaurant, a party shop, stuff like that. They should be able to have that money given to them to start that business. And if they don't put it into action, they will have to pay back that money. They have to work and pay it back. So people are going to put out that effort to do that. It's sad. I'm just meditating, guys, and I'm just sharing my opinion as I always do. It's just my opinion. It's just how I feel. So I express how I feel. But anyway, tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you are paranoid and you feel sad and unhappy that you might get deported, um, share your thoughts in the comment section. I mean, what you can do in YouTube, you don't have to have your full name on YouTube. You can always change your name to a name that somebody don't know. And you can share your opinion when you watch somebody blog asking a question. You can share your opinion in the comment section. As long as you're not being rude, disrespectful to people, then that's okay. Because you know what? In all these cases, you have to keep God and you have to have a clean heart. Whatever you're going through, don't worry about it. Pray. Because God is your healer and Him is your protector. So him give you what you deserve. You have to make sure that you pray. Okay, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye, guys. Oh, please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Bye bye, guys. Love you guys. Big up on yourself and stay blessed and safe. Okay, bye.